Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we're going to unbox our June Roccabox. This is a monthly subscription. It costs £13.95 per month. That does include postage and packaging. A collection of beauty items from makeup, skincare, hair care, you name it, they do it. Roccabox is a particular favourite of mine and I've probably had the subscription for over a year now. So let's get into the unboxing. So when you get your parcel, it just comes in a little pink bag. And then it comes in the little pink box, which is quite cute. Okay, so let's get straight in. You've got a voucher here for, it's a wine voucher. And then you get a leaflet just explaining a little bit about the box. So this month's theme is all about Selfie, a selfie ready box. Okay, so this is what the contents look like. So let's just put my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm talking about. The first item I see is the ICO. It's Black Magic Eyeliner. This is a full-size product. It's recommended of £16 and you can get this at ico.co.uk. To start with, we have the ICO Liquid Eyeliner. This is designed for that after hours allure look, making messy eyeliner a thing of the past. Inspired by traditional Japanese calligraphy, this liner makes winged eyes effortlessly, even for those of us that aren't gifted with the talent of makeup. The brush is smooth and allows for a single stroke, which stays on all day without fading. So perfect. So let's just dive in and have a look. It's a bit of a big box for a little item. But hey ho. So it's just literally your standard little pen there. Very fine. I look forward to trying that. I mean, I'm not great and precise with eyeliner, so it might take a few goes, but my technique has improved slightly. So yeah, that's a good one. I look forward to trying it. Right, next we have Avant. This is the Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Oxidizing Duo Moisturizer. This is a deluxe travel size. It has a recommended of £20. Good things really do come to those in small packages. This moisturizer deeply penetrates the skin to hydrate and instantly improve the appearance of any fine lines. It contains avocado oil, which initially hydrates and softens the skin. When applying, work from the centre of the face out. And a little tip, if you gently tap your face while moisturising, it will stimulate circulation. Okay, so that's that. This is a really good brand. I have got a few items and I particularly like the hand cream that this brand does. So I will get around to using it. There is no smell. So yeah, second item, good one. Okay, next we have Eye Therapy. This is a full-size product. This is a recommended of £1.95. So no matter how much sleep you get, you still have tired eyes, right? We know the feeling. These beauties are an intense eye treatment which nourish the eye, reduces puffiness, dryness and the appearance of those dark circles. Suitable for all skin types, simple to use, just cleanse the area, place on 15 to 20 minutes and relax. Now, I have had these before and I absolutely love them. And I do feel like they actually do work. So I look forward to trying those. Ooh, next we have a lipstick. This is by Mayy. This is a Velvet Hydro Matte Lipstick. In need of your new everyday lipstick colour, we may have found the one for you. The super soft and super hydrating velvet formula provides the perfect matte colour without drying out your lips. It's a paraben-free formula with added vitamin E. This will be the girls' night essential in no time. Recommended is £25. You can get this at maybeauty.com and this is a full-size product and the colour we have is called Tulip. So let's have a look. Very pretty. It's got the Mayy logo on there as well, but I don't know if you can actually pick that up. So yeah, beautiful. And that's the colour. It's a very natural nude colour. Very pretty. Oh, I like that. It's quite orangey, which I do like. That's nice. That is really nice. I like that a lot. That'll get used for sure. Like that. And then finally we have the Charles Worthington Diamond Shine and Shampoo and Conditioner. As you all love last month's Charles Worthington goodies, we're here this month with Hair Power Couple. The shampoo and conditioner instantly revitalises dull looking hair and leaves it with Selfie worthy sparkle. Both are enriched with the fragrance lock technology, leaving your hair smelling fresh all day. Recommended as £4. You can get this at boots.com, and these are the deluxe travel size, and you get both, which are, these are quite a hefty, like, you're going to get quite a few washes out of these for sure. So I think that's really pretty good. I'll use them. Okay, so I really do, I just love Roccabox. I think the products that you get are things that everybody will use. So just to recap, we got the beautiful Mayy lipstick. We've got the Avant Moisturiser. We've got the Eye Therapy eye mask. We've got the, which I'm looking very forward to trying, the ICO eyeliner. And then we got the Charles Worthington shampoo and conditioner in a decent size too. Okay, so if you like these kind of unboxings, don't forget to please subscribe. I'm trying to still reach my 2,000 goal. So every little helps. I would really appreciate it. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other, and bye for now. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Bye.